So I'm Sumitra Rajagopalan, founder and CEO of Bioastra Technologies, all the way from Canada. So Bioastra is a primarily biomaterials development and commercialization company. We originally started in the medical device industry when sustainability was less of a thing. But we were able to design very interesting functionalities around polymers that many years later served us well in this industry-wide shift to sustainability. So primarily, I'm a biomedical engineer by background. My foray into the scientific world was developing really cool materials called artificial muscle. In industry, that we noticed from our partners that there was a need to replace any stretch material with a bio alternative. So think stretch, think rubber, polyurethane, spandex fibers, and so on. And that's when I was able to put two and two together, saying that like polyurethane, could we create a platform that is bio-based, which we can convert to foams, to adhesives, to coatings, just like polyurethane and rubbers before it. And hence this bioelastomer platform was born, and we're proudly, unveiling for the first time the biofoam to the wider audience beyond our initial clients. I must start by saying we're in the polyurethane industry here. It is an enduring and endearing material. It has served industries very well since World War II. And it has attributes that are quite a hard thing to match. That said, there's a growing awareness first for just anything petrochemical in terms of its carbon footprint, specifically for polyurethane, as versatile and wonderful as a material as it is. It does contain isocyanate, and isocyanate, we have caught up to the nefarious effects of isocyanate as well as VOCs, that is the volatile organic compounds. So that has offered an opportunity for material innovators and also a need for our clients to look for alternatives. In the consumer industry, it actually comes from the consumers. So fashion brands, it's less the legislative aspect as much as that's important, but just consumers, a new generation of consumers are very aware of the footprint of what we wear, what we use, and how we travel. And it's in response to them wanting, a better planet, and that's what we're leaving them. So it's the most inspiring way to join it. So ultimately serving consumers who care for the environment. This is one place where you have the entire industry in one place. So their users, their manufacturers, their machine equipment. So we've made lots of friends just, in one day, and it's very rare to find almost the entire supply chain in one place. You even have those who provide packaging for the foam industry. So I would say, where else would we exhibit? We've come all the way from Canada, so forgive the jet lag, but we feel that this is the place to be if we want to make that true change in sustainability. Companies and their mindset and their willingness to adopt change are miles ahead of where we come from. And I'm so happy to be here, and you guys have put on a great show. So exactly a bit of a microcosm of where we are. There've been as many buyers, obviously those who visit, buyers of new solutions, as manufacturers looking to implement new ones, to obviously raw material suppliers who want to sell us things. So we've just run the gamut, and I've had to practice my multiple languages, some good, some not great. Met people from all the way from Afghanistan to Latvia, Lithuania, Poland, obviously Germany and the United States. So good show. Looking forward to the next 2 days. This is just what the first day got us. Upstarts like us should treat carefully in how to speak to incumbents. I think coming up with this bit of a bull in a china shop saying we're here to change the game, I think no one has the patience for that. Understanding. So my biggest takeaway is learning how the industry works, learning what needs are, what does sustainability mean for people, rather than just bulldozing a solution, which is terrible sales to begin with. So if there's one big takeaway from day one, it'll be I have learned so much in one day that I wouldn't have imagined, talking to, different clients over the years. So thank you.